RNA vs DNA, setting the stage. RNA biology is often introduced as an extension of DNA biology, but this comparison can be misleading. Unlike DNA, RNA biology focuses on molecules that are structurally flexible, functionally diverse, and dynamically regulated. RNA structure, the power of flexibility. RNA molecules are typically single-stranded, allowing them to fold into complex shapes that DNA cannot easily adopt. This fundamental difference explains why RNA biology emphasizes structure-driven behavior rather than static sequence storage. RNA structure and function. Form drives function. In RNA biology, structure is not a passive feature but an active determinant of function. RNA secondary structures such as stems, loops, and bulges influence how RNA interacts with enzymes, proteins, and other nucleic acids. What is RNA specificity? Compared with linear nucleic acid models, structured RNA provides specificity and regulatory control. RNA biology research consistently shows that even small structural changes can alter RNA behavior in experimental systems. What is RNA processing? RNA biology becomes even more complex when RNA processing is taken into account. After transcription, RNA molecules actually go through a series of processing events that really define their final functional state. These transformations are what determine whether RNA molecules end up being stable, efficiently translated, or maybe even involved in important regulatory networks. What is RNA versatility? Compared with unprocessed RNA, properly processed RNA exhibits enhanced functional versatility, making RNA processing a central topic in RNA biology research. BOC Sciences RNA Research Support, empowering discovery. For researchers exploring RNA biology, access to specialized RNA products and technical services is essential. BOC Sciences offers a broad portfolio of RNA products and RNA-related services designed to support studies on RNA structure, RNA processing, and RNA function. These capabilities include customized RNA synthesis, RNA modification solutions, and research-oriented RNA services aligned with RNA biology workflows. Scientists working on RNA biology projects can collaborate with BOC Sciences to obtain tailored solutions that support efficient and reproducible research.